AAA presents Happily Ever After, the electronic multi-point inspection. Once upon a time, there were three little cars. They zipped through the streets and parked under stars. But the first little car made a squealing sound when braking. Its noisy stop had the whole town waking. The second little car would stall on the spot for no reason at all. It would just stop. The third little car had a problem with turning and a funky odor that smelled like burning. Along came a mechanic, clever and kind, with a toolkit of knowledge and a sharp, savvy mind. He said to each little car, "Don't feel blue. I'll do an electronic multi-point inspection on you." The mechanic checked the engine, the brakes, and the tires, the steering, suspension, and all kinds of wires. He tested the lights and the batteries charged and made sure each system was working at large. So, if you want your car running right every day, get an electronic multi-point inspection. Do not delay. Moral of the story, bring your car into a AAA Tire and Auto Service Center for an EMPI.